15 high-tech smartphone gadgets you can't miss. Whether you're a content creator, a traveler, or just looking to enhance your mobile experience, these gadgets have got you covered. Make sure to check the links in the video description for more details on each gadget. Let's get started. First up is the Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal. This gimbal is a game changer for anyone who loves to capture smooth cinematic video footage with their smartphone. It features a powerful stabilization system that eliminates shaky footage, making it perfect for vloggers and travelers. Plus, its lightweight design allows you to carry it anywhere, and with its various shooting modes, you can get creative with your shots. Whether you're filming action sports or capturing stunning landscapes, this gimbal has you covered. Next, we have the Basius Magnetic Car Phone Holder. This gadget makes navigating while driving a breeze. Its strong magnets securely hold your phone in place, allowing for easy access to GPS and calls without distraction. Installation is super simple. Just attach the magnetic plate to your phone or case, and you're good to go. Plus, it fits most car air vents, keeping your dashboard clean and organized. A must-have for any driver. Third on our list is the Apexel 10-in-1 mobile camera lenses. If you love photography, this gadget is for you. With a variety of lenses, including wide-angle, macro, and fisheye, you can take your smartphone photography to the next level. These lenses are easy to attach and can dramatically enhance your shots, making even ordinary scenes look stunning. Whether you're capturing landscapes or close-ups of flowers, this kit provides endless creative possibilities. Fourth, we have the EasySMX M05 Type-C mobile phone controller. For all the gamers out there, this controller is a game changer. With its ergonomic design, it offers a comfortable grip for long gaming sessions. The Type-C connection ensures low latency, providing a seamless gaming experience. Plus, it's compatible with most smartphones, making it perfect for mobile gaming enthusiasts. Fifth, we have the GVMTL10S10W smartphone video rig. This rig is perfect for content creators looking to enhance their video quality. It features adjustable LED lights and a mount for your smartphone, providing professional lighting and stabilization. With its compact design, it's easy to set up anywhere, whether you're filming indoors or outdoors. This rig will elevate your video quality and make your content stand out. Next up, we have the Tongdaetec 160 watts multi-wireless charger stand. This powerful charging station can juice up multiple devices simultaneously, including your smartphone, smartwatch, and wireless earbuds. With its sleek design and fast charging capabilities, you'll never have to deal with tangled cords again. Plus, its built-in safety features protect your devices from overcharging and overheating. Next on our list is the Universal Smartphone Rear Selfie Mirror Kit Clip. This nifty little gadget allows you to take perfect selfies with your rear camera, giving you the best quality shots. Simply clip it onto your phone and you'll be able to see yourself while using the rear camera. This is a game changer for anyone who loves capturing memories with friends or taking high-quality photos for social media. Coming in at number 8, we have the Transmart Bang SE Bluetooth speaker. This powerful speaker is perfect for on-the-go music lovers. With deep bass and crisp sound quality, it elevates your audio experience whether you're at a picnic, a beach party, or just chilling at home. Plus, its long battery life ensures that the music keeps playing for hours without interruption. Ninth on the list is the Ulanzi MA35 phone camera grip handle. If you're into mobile photography or videography, this grip handle is a fantastic addition to your gear. It provides stability while shooting, making it easier to capture steady and professional-looking videos. It also features multiple mounting options for accessories like microphones and lights, giving you a complete filming setup right in your hands. Next, we have the Mile-C Thermal Camera. This high-tech gadget transforms your smartphone into a powerful thermal imaging tool. It's perfect for home inspections, detecting heat leaks, or even exploring wildlife. The thermal camera provides clear images and can help you visualize temperature differences, making it a fun and practical gadget for anyone curious about the world around them. Next up is the JJC Selfie Bluetooth Camera Shutter. This little device is a game changer for anyone who loves taking selfies or group photos. Simply pair it with your smartphone via Bluetooth, and with the press of a button, you can snap stunning photos from a distance. It's perfect for those moments when you want to include everyone in the frame without having to stretch your arm. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. Next, we have the A4 Portable USB Bluetooth Wireless Printer. This gadget is perfect for students and professionals alike. Imagine being able to print documents or photos directly from your smartphone, no matter where you are. It connects seamlessly via Bluetooth and produces high-quality prints in just seconds. Whether you're in a coffee shop or at a business meeting, this printer keeps you productive and efficient. With its compact design, it fits right in your backpack, making it a must-have gadget for on-the-go printing. Coming in at number 13 is the Cool Dyer 2024 New 360 Rotation Gimbal Stabilizer. If you're into vlogging or creating content, this is an essential tool for you. This gimbal stabilizer offers smooth 360-degree rotation, ensuring that your videos look professional and cinematic. It's equipped with smart tracking technology, which means it can follow your movements seamlessly, perfect for action shots or dynamic filming. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods, so you can focus on capturing those incredible moments without any shake. Next up, we have the Baseus Bowie MA10 Pro wireless earphones. These earbuds are not only stylish but also packed with features. With active noise cancellation and a rich sound profile, you can enjoy your music or podcasts without any distractions. They offer a long battery life so you can listen all day long. Plus, the touch controls make it super easy to manage your music and calls. Whether you're at the gym or commuting, these earphones deliver high-quality audio in a sleek package. And last but not least, we have the Digital Auto Screen Clicker for smartphone apps. This gadget is perfect for those who need to automate tasks on their smartphones. Whether you're running repetitive tasks in apps or just need a little extra help while gaming, this clicker simplifies everything with just one touch. It's easy to set up and can be customized to suit your needs. Imagine effortlessly scrolling through your social media or completing tasks while you focus on other things. That wraps up our list of 15 high-tech smartphone gadgets you can't miss in 2024. Each of these gadgets brings something unique to the table and can significantly enhance your smartphone experience. Don't forget to check the links in the video description for more details on each product. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and gadget recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.